a very important day for Robert and Peter Chin, principals of the Alliance Group of Companies, because as you are aware, they were before the court in individual capacities for various breaches of the Bank of Jamaica Act and the Banking Services Act. This afternoon, the representative of the Director of Public Prosecutions, Ms. Henriquez, indicated to the court, in this particular instance, Parish Court Judge Scott Montague, that the Director of Public Prosecutions Department was dropping all the charges against them individually. So this is a very important day for them. Some were concerned at the time that they should not have been charged at all individually. Well, that has been rectified today, and they are extremely grateful for that. In relation to the other matter that was before the court today, Alliance Finance Limited, that company was charged for 28 breaches of the Bank of Jamaica Act, and they were fined $50,000 each, and 8 breaches of the Banking Services Act, and they were fined $2.5 million in relation to that. May I say that strictly speaking, those are referred to as regulatory breaches. It was not necessary for them to arrest the principals of the company, put them into the police station, take them before the court, and bail them. It wasn't necessary, but those matters have been rectified today. Alliance Finance Limited will go on to have a benefits hearing on in the Supreme Court in May, and when that time comes, we will deal with that. As far as the poker breaches are concerned, those matters are to be mentioned in this court on the 20th day of May.
Can you explain for us what is the purpose of the benefit hearing?
Well, what the Financial Investigation Division is saying is that they benefited from the acts to which they pleaded guilty, and the Financial Investigation Division is saying that they must be penalized for benefiting from these loans and deposits that they took, that they were not authorized to take.
So they are looking at further paying further fines if they.
That is if court and if the FID comes to an arrangement concerning that, but it's not automatic.
What's the outcome you're expecting from it?
The outcome, I stopped predicting outcome in matters before the court about 20 years now.
Thank you.
Thank you.